Okay guys, welcome back to Straight Yard TV. Today we're gonna cook Sunday dinner and we're gonna cook some nice curry goat and some fried chicken, guys. So you know how it go already. Stay tuned, watch the channel. And remember to jump on, like and share people, like and share. Subscribe to the channel, help the channel to grow. One love, Straight Yard TV. Let's go, we're gonna season it. Okay guys, so see the chicken here? This is the chicken for the brown stew. We'll tell you already, we are gonna make some brown stew chicken Sunday dinner style. So we are gonna cut it up and we are gonna clean it up and we will get back to you and show you what I go on. Stay tuned. Guys, look for the joint and just go in on the joint. Very easy. Very, very easy. I want to teach you a new style. Teach you a new style, see? Teach you a new style. That cut out the whole like back like that. See me? Alright guys, so we are going clean up and we get back to you, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the chicken, nice and clean, well cut. Okay, so I'm gonna drop some seasoning on it. You know it go already. Season, we are season up. Complete, not too much, let go. Some black pepper, good. Some easy spice, you know, so we can't left out this regular, not even you know, normal people. Just straight to the bone. See me? So we are going to now. Go ahead and mix them in. See me in the peeps. See me? Yeah. Let me look. Good. Well, nice. So I'm going to get on the herb season on him now. Now how it go? Soak nice and peeps. Green onion, that known as scallion. Put up about 2 stalks on him. Make the bird nice and sweet. Cut up some garlic, my peeps. That's what we say. A straight yard thing, this one I go nice. Nice like a real heap of spice. Sometime. Now when we have fry without them half backing up peeps. It's like Sunday dinner style we are geared for one here. For one of the original Sunday dinner style. Can't spoil. Piece of onion. Know how he go. You know how he go. Straight yard night cooking and straight cooking. Non-stop cooking guys. Non-stop cooking until we done cook. So we do it. We do everything from start to finish, from scratch. You know. Yeah, let's what the good old scotch bunny time on the people. Get a nice kick. Now we not put too much in it because we don't want it too hot. And if you notice, I don't use the seeds. I drop the seed in there, you can't go eat it, my people. I got too hot. So going on again and just, you know, getting the seasoning in him, you know. know it go already. Put in the season them in him. Then fly up in it. Holy puff flavor. Eat there. I know it go. Joke him up a little bit, you know. Let's see if it fly through. No, see, that's how we deal with it. So that is it. Stay tuned. Sunday dinner go nice. Watch that one of my people. Fried chicken, brown stew down, you know it go. Alright, so stay tuned and watch the video. Straight Yard TV. Okay, so today, don't tell you what we are going to do already, you know, the chicken fry, we season it up already, we show you the process, how we season, and everything. So we are going to cook some real Jamaican style chicken, Sunday day dinner chicken style, okay? So here is the chicken, it's already seasoned like I showed you before. We are going to fry them, and we are going to touch it down. It's a brown stew chicken, I go mad. Guys, it's not the regular brown stew chicken. We're not flouring the chicken to fry it. Okay? So watch this one. Do it the same way. Good result. The pot already hot. Gonna add some oil. So we are gonna fry some chicken. Fry, we are gonna fry. We don't need no pot oil because it's a deep fry we are dealing with. Okay? And we are gonna cook him down back. After we fry him, we are gonna cook him down back. Stew him up, brown stew style. Okay? Alright. Stay tuned and watch the video for that one. This one gonna be off the hook. Okay, so you know we like to season up with oil. So we are gonna put a couple pieces of garlic in it to go and burn. Give the oil like a flavor. You know it go. I go fry chicken, please. I go fry chicken. And I go put one little piece of pepper because the Scotch bonnet is real hot. So just a little piece of burn in the oil with the seed and everything. Give the oil some flavor. We have a fried chicken now. So let the oil get red hot and then we're gonna start. Alright, so see chicken them here? We are going to scrape off the seasoning because we're not going to fry with the seasoning, guys. We're going to scrape off the seasoning and put the chicken in a pot. Oil get hot already. Time to fry. Homemade style. No flour. Right, we're now coating up the pot. We're not coating up the pot. Okay? When I coat up the pot, it takes too long to fry. So, always remember, don't coat up the pot when you're doing any type of frying. Whatever you're frying, don't coat up the pot. When you're crowding up the pot, take a long time to fry. So don't crowd up the pot. Okay? Always leave space in your pot. That little piece and I'm going to put it right there. And that's it. No more in the pot. No more. See, left space in the pot. Right? That's what we're talking about. So stay tuned. Watch that one here. The brown stew chicken has some old time Sunday day style. And the old man and the old lady used to cook for you. And they don't have much seasoning. We have every seasoning like still enough people. But me have given you the old type style. Sunday day chicken. And some people remember, we don't eat, when you're growing up back home when you're young, and the people them was the elder back in the days, they don't have money like that. Once a week you eat chicken, people, and on Sunday day time. And that's how them cook it to you. And you finger licking, you want more. So some style like that I'm going to give today. So stay tuned and watch that one here. Alright, I could check out the chicken and I know. Let's see what one. See? Nice and brown. See that? That's what I'm talking about. No flour. Home style, see? Nice and brown. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. In there? Yeah. Nice. So I take the time and fry them. And we're going to fry all of them just like that. And then we have to cook them down. You know, the brown stew style. And we're going to add some other things to them. Stay tuned. Watch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Straight here in the kitchen. When we're in the kitchen, pay things. Up and running. Okay, so the brown stew chicken now, we're taking out the last 2 pieces out of the pot. And this is how they look. Okay? This is how they look. Perfect. No flour added, they just fry naturally. Because we're going to go ahead and cook them down back. With all that little goodies in the pot, we're going to use them. So all I'm going to do is throw off a little bit of the oil. And then we're going to get right back to the business, guys. So stay tuned, watch the video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm cutting up some Irish, some sweet pepper, and some carrots. You know we are going to cook it down now, so we are going to put back all the season that was on the meat, plus these new ones I'm going to put in it. So I'm just here cutting them up. So stay tuned, watch out for that. Okay guys, so guess what happened now? Chicken done fried. See them here? Looking fine. I have a little drop of oil in the pot. So I'm going to put them back in the pot now. I'm going to put all of them back in the pot, guys. All of them. Everyone going back in the pot. This is the chicken that I cut up, and I already showed you guys how to season and everything. So I'm just putting back all the chicken in the pot. It's like somebody eat pizza that already. Like it. Alright, so this is what we're doing, basically putting all the chicken in the pot. And all these ingredients that was on the chicken, we're gonna add them. So the way we're gonna add them is just like that. Everything going back. Nothing now waste, nothing now that. Now we're gonna go get some hot water, guys. So when you're cooking, you don't want cold water. It slows the process down for cooking. So always have some hot water right beside you. So I'm gonna see, ready to cook. That color, don't need browning. That's from the burnt of all the crust from the chicken, guys. See that color? Okay. Alright, my peeps. See that color? Look at it. It look like you have browning. So you don't wash the pot. And you don't, all those burn in the bottom, you leave them alone. Because this is what's going to build the flavor back in the pot now, guys. See that? That is it. That's what I'm talking about. Natural browning. Probably, just watch. I'm going to show you how to do this real original one. Without not much of ingredients. Just regular. Now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to add the carrot, the Irish, the sweet pepper, and the tomato, guys. So now I'm going to put it in also. And you know I'm going to cook with the chicken. Alright, brown stew it down now, guys. Let's chew him down now. That's where we're going with this now, guys. We're chewing him down now. Get all these ingredients in the pot. And you know how it go? We have to put some more water. So cover everything with the water. So it cook equally. Just like that. So we are cooking back right down, you know, guys. Right down, you might go back down. Not because you see all this water, everything will go back right down. Right down to gravy. See? That's what we're looking for. All the meat is merged in the water. See? So, this is it, guys. Now we're gonna cover the pot. Let the fire do the work. So see where you are now. What I go cover up fire go and work. And we don't keep it on high fire, we are keeping it on medium low. So it take time and cook perfectly and everything is equal. Nice with flavors, guys. The rice and peas is finished. Nice shelly. Can't eat without meat. So guys, I already show you how to cook rice and peas. This is the reason why when I'm cooking rice and peas, I don't show you guys all the time because I already show you that. So if you want to see that, you have to go back to the channel and look how to cook rice and peas. That's why when I'm cooking rice and peas, I never show you how to do it again. Okay? Well, I'll show you everything else. So stay tuned, watch the channel, one love, Straight Yard TV. Okay guys, so right now, check it out. See, it's coming right to perfection. All I'm gonna do, add a little piece of butter. As I tell you, you don't need browning in this one. Natural browning I already make. So I'm just gonna add a little ketchup. And then we're gonna simmer him down. And then it's done. Okay guys? That is it. Give him a little stir. Stir it up. So rich and when look. Good. Just natural. The only thing I'm gonna add to it is just a little Chinese sauce, guys, to kick up the flavor just a little bit more. And that's it. I'm not gonna put no browning. So here we go. Just a little soy sauce. Just a little bit, not a lot. That's what I'm talking about. You see that color now? That is it. We're not looking for nothing more than that, guys. Natural colors, just a little bit of soy sauce. That's it. See how it look rich and nice? Yeah. That is what we're talking about. So, stay tuned. Watch the video to the end. This one is going to be a banger. If you don't know how to make real Jamaican brown stew chicken, this is it, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, my peeps. Check out the brown stew chicken. See there? Done. Mad. Nice flavor. Nice and juicy. You see them, guys? Real brown stew. Them are mash already. So you know what? Put a pot, you know? Turn away and turn them off. Finish cook. We'll turn them off. Remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, guys. And watch the video to the end. And give it a like. So the algorithm can share it across the world, people. Boost the channel. Straight Yard TV. One Straight Yard. Up and running.